So today the drone has arrived. It's an SG907. I'm just going to start unboxing and seeing what's inside. Very excited, so hopefully everything should be okay. So I'll make a start, but I'll film it once I've got it done. So here we have the ZLRC quadcopter. I'm just going to take the outer wrapping off and open the box and see what's inside there. So here we have the copter, which is in a nice bag here. So I'm going to open it and see what's inside. So here we have the quadcopter, everything you need. It's got 3 batteries, spare props, and of course it's got the RC controller. That's the words I was looking for. The controller, which is nice and light, should be okay to operate there. So I'll just take out the quadcopter now and let you see what it's like. So as you can see, it's quite light. Well, you can't see it's quite light, but it's certainly very small. So I've taken it out of the box and I've unfolded the first wing, then the second one. You've got to do it in a special way. The third one, maybe I've not done it the right way, have I? Probably not. I think I've done it the wrong way there. Put that one back in. This one comes out first. Then this is the last one. So it doesn't look very much at all, to be honest. It's quite small, very light. So I'll just have to see what it's like. I'm going to see what else is in the box. I believe I have 3 batteries. There's probably one in the copter at the moment. And 2 more batteries here. So that's 3 in total. I got this off eBay and it cost me £130 or thereabouts. I didn't expect it until the 10th of July, but it's actually came in the 4th of June, which is very good. Very pleased. And it's also got a nice case here for putting everything in when you're mobile. So in one of the packages we have the screwdriver. These are for the controller arms, and we also have the USB cable for charging the batteries in one package there. In this package we have rotor blades, which I'm not actually going to open. I'm just going to leave them as they are because obviously I don't need them at the moment. Haven't broke anything time being. So I've connected the USB cable, charger cable, to the battery. I'm going to put it on the charge now. So I've already taken the screw from here and I've released the cover so that we can now put the 4 batteries in. And once again I've forgotten the name of the controller, but it's the controller that we're looking for. So it's one. Just make sure it's all correct. I think I've got it wrong actually. And it goes that way. So as you can see, there's 4 to go in. Just make sure you put them in the correct way, which is obviously the best way. And the last one is going in now, just the other way there. So then we pop the cover back on here. It slides in like so. Clips in. Pushes on. Then you've got this little screw here. Very, very small. Very easy to lose, so watch what you're doing. It's that. I'll just go ahead and do it. I'll try anyway. Do try and make sure you get it on the right thread so that it stays okay and it's tight but not over tight, as it'll not be so good. Then we have for my iPhone 7 Plus, just goes like that, and I'll be ready to put my iPhone in like so. So I'll just stop for a moment until I get these controller handles ready there. So I'll put one of the controllers on the joystick there. It's just a case of getting this and pushing it right in until it goes all the way home there, and that should be it. Okay. Anyway, I've now have the camera set up and the drone connected to my iPhone, so everything seems to be working okay. It's a very wet day outside and windy, so I'll leave it to another day before I go outside to fly it. So it seems to be that it's not been too bad to connect with the instructions from YouTube. So thanks for watching, and hopefully I'll be out flying this drone and I'll let you see what sort of videos and photographs it can take. So for the moment, from GTR Digital Video Photography Annan, take care, have a nice day, we'll catch you somewhere down the line. Bye just now.